Good evening, everyone. Thank you all the parents. I didn't expect all the parents will come. Thank you very much. It's been almost like 12 hours. Does it look like 12 hours is over? No, you want to stay back some more time? Yes, well trained they are. I know it is damn tough to write programs for 12 hours. We had a lot of fun. Keep it secret, okay? We had a lot of fun. One of the things I noticed throughout this 12 hours was I had heard it that children like chocolates. So long back I had heard that it's a tried and tested methodology. If you want to impress a child, give them chocolates. I never thought that these people are children. One fellow actually took the entire toffee and put it in his bag. So more than coding, they enjoyed eating chocolates. For every program, one chocolate. And these guys were very helpful. They filled the chocolates at least 4 times today. 3 times? 4 times today. Okay. So one thing is guaranteed. You want them to write programs, get them chocolates. So they're going to write it for 12 hours non-stop. So that's what I have seen. So it was a wonderful journey from morning till evening till now. So a lot of cooperation was there. As I told in the morning, a couple of you were not there, I believe. So as I told you in the morning, I don't think there is any other place in the world where they have written programs. The students of age 15 have written programs for 12 hours non-stop. 12 hours means, yeah, thank you. A big round of applause, big round of applause. You people deserve. Of course, there was a lot of mischievous things. I controlled it. They kept on making me say, stop talking, stop talking. So, not so much, but it's okay. So, I just felt amazing about it. So, it was really a great experience for me more than them. I will share with you people in few more minutes who are the winners today. We had a startup idea. One of them, we have selected one team, whoever has performed very well. So based on the poll, so we will announce them. I just take 5 minutes until the counting is done. Just few more minutes, it will be done. I'll finish off the talk, whatever I planned for, and then I will start giving the certificates. With the joy you can live. Okay? So here it goes. Life is completely about choices and consequences. You choose something and there is a consequence behind it. So you choose to study, and then what is the consequence? You have to go to school. So you chose to take up ICSE instead of state syllabus, so you have to study 11 subjects, 10 subjects. If you had chosen a state syllabus, you would have had hardly 6 subjects. You chose and you have a consequence. And if you had chosen IB, you would have a different consequence. Life is all about choices and consequences. You chose to get married to a person. That was a choice, and you know the consequence. This is for the parents. So, you chose to have a kid, and there is a consequence here. So you have a choice, and there is a consequence. Life is completely about choices and consequence. And a lot of people say that this is a boon. Yes, I have choice to choose. Dogs do not have the choice. Dogs have to bark and the same sound. And it does not have choice of words. Donkeys do not have choice of words. Animals do not have choice. But human being can be trained, tamed. to choose whatever they want. And one of the challenge in today's modern world is there are so many choices and we don't know what choice to take. I know a couple of you are very senior to me. Please forgive me if I am going wrong. But I have heard that a lot of parents love to hear to me. So that is the only reason, for the first time from past 6 years, I'm standing in front of all the parents. I know that I'm not such a great person to talk to you or share something, but please forgive me if I'm using anything wrong and if I make any mistakes. My language, please don't mind that one. I'm just sharing whatever my experience is, and it has created students. One of the main reason why I'm talking to all of you here is, I had a student just few years back, 2012 batch he was in 10th standard. He joined my classes. He was very weak. He joined my classes. Earlier he used to get 21 out of 100, and after my classes he got 6 out of 100. And the parents straight away came to me, not to complain, okay. So parents straight away came to me and then shared, why is this happening? 6 out of 100, can you please help me? I told that he's overconfident, he has some issues, he's not able to focus. So the parents requested a lot. I melt if somebody requests, I melt. So if somebody demands, I will not do anything. So if somebody requests, I will melt. So that time I had a lot of time, so I used to take home tuitions. So they requested for the home tuitions. I went to their home, I started teaching, listen carefully. I started teaching the student, and this student is a very introverted student, and he doesn't share anything with anybody. I started teaching him, and I found that he is able to understand. One day I just casually asked, what is your dream, what is your aim, what do you want to achieve in life? He said, no sir, nothing. Very casual, like a lot of you here want to escape. So and I just probed again and again, what is your dream, what is your aim? Because if the goal is clear, no, it will be very easy for us to train and help the student what to achieve. Just imagine I give you a bow and arrow and no target. So I don't know where to actually shoot. So there is no target. So goal will help you to fast forward to reach that place. So I just wanted to understand what is his goal, what is his aim. I tried probing him, and then he told, sir, my goal is to go join Navy or Army. Then I asked, why do you want to join Navy or Army? And he told, sir, I don't like to live in this world, sir. I want to die. So I will better choose to die for India rather than just dying here. I'm not interested in living. I was shocked to hear that. I tried to understand why his interest is like this. So then I asked, why is it that you're speaking like this? Sir, a lot of people cheat me, sir. I don't know what to do. My own friends, I don't have any friends also right now. So I don't like to live, sir. I don't like to study this subject also. Because you're coming, and that's all. And this was the response of the student. Internally I was shocked, externally I didn't show anything. So I just made sure that his fundamentals are very strong. Just make his fundamentals very strong. He was a little better, average student. So I just pushed him and then made his fundamentals very strong. This student who got 6 out of 100 got 94, mark my words, he got 94 out of 100 in the board exam. And his parents were shocked. Now the shock is for their parents. They give me a call immediately and say that, how is it possible? Where is 6 and where is 94? It's ulta. So how is it possible? So I just told that fundamentals have to be strong. Try to understand what is going on in their mind. Apart from the problems that they face in the home, they might not be facing, if there is some small, they are facing a lot of pressure outside. The peer pressure is very high. There will be huge hormonal changes. So these are the things which is happening in the school. and colleges. And because of it, so the moment they enter this teenage, just become their friends. I know that a lot of parents are their friends, so but just treat them as friends. It will be easy for us to understand. And there are quite a lot of political students also. They use what I told right now and play with your parents. If anything happens like that, no, please give me a call directly. My phone number is available. Okay, no playing around. Fine. So this is what I understood with that student. The story didn't end. So in 11th standard, he chose computers. But I asked him, what is your aim? Navy, sir. So, okay. So and then in 12th standard also, computer science, obviously, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and computer science. And then he was coming for our tuitions. One day he just told, sir, I have a lot of doubts. Can you help me? Sure, come over. Then he had these doubts on data structures, stacks, queues, linked list, and trees, binary trees. Just the day before, I had taught one more CBSE student the stacks and queues. It took almost 6 to 7 hours to teach that concept to the other student. And this guy, Navy, so this guy, when he came in, I just took 45 minutes to complete the entire chapter. And I was amazed, how is that he's able to understand so strongly? He's been studying from first PUC, second PUC. So at the end of second PUC, he is so interested in computers and is doing so well. And then I felt that, wow, he's doing it well. But he still said, I want to go for Navy. Then I get a call from the parent one day. My son has decided to do computers. He wanted to do something related to computers, but not engineering. So I told there are so many other courses other than engineering. So I helped them out, and then they started finding out. And right now he's in second year in VIT. He is pursuing his BSc animation. And that is what, from a person where he wanted to die, and right now he says every year he comes to Bangalore. First he comes to TechSparks and says, thank you very much, sir. It helped me a lot. So these stories when I hear, so it inspires me a lot to continue what I am doing. And these are the things I keep sharing with the students, and that's how most of them get inspired, and then they do. Couple of parents also requested that you also have to address me, address us, and that's how we all have gathered today. So we do not understand what goes in their mind. If we can help them or take them to a counselor, a person who can, a parent cannot be a teacher. A teacher should teach. If the parent teaches, they will develop hatred towards the parent. That is one problem these kids have. They cannot learn. Same thing, whatever you have taught at home, I say the same thing, teaching they'll follow. And a lot of parents have told, this is what I have been telling from past 15 years, today sir has told you follow, is it? So a lot of parents have this complaint. But teacher is teacher. They will easily learn from a teacher. And that's what happens. Coming back to my topic, choices and consequences. So whatever choices you take, there will be a consequence. One of the big confusion is, which area will I choose? So last week I had a session in Ryan International where I was addressing all the 300 students of 10th standard. All these guys also were there, girls and boys. So I just focused on telling that whatever you do, be the best in it. So the ultimate statement that my manager always used to say, I am from Target. So I was working in Target for almost 6 years. I quit my job and pursued my passion of being a teacher and an entrepreneur. So that's how I launched TechSparks in the year 2014. I've been teaching from 2010, but 2014 is when I launched this TechSparks Technology Training School. So full time I've been into this from 2014. So one of the things my manager always used to tell in Target is, dilemma is constant, don't worry about it. So when I was when I completed engineering, I went into office. I was confused whether to choose computer science So whether I want to choose .NET framework or Java framework. So once I chose Java framework, whether should I go to Android application development or should I get into J2EE. Once I get into that one, so there's always a dilemma. So that started from the beginning, after 10th standard, biology or computer science. After that, computer science or medical. So there is a confusion forever. But this confusion is constant. But be very clear. This is the words of my manager. I would love to borrow it. So this is what he said. Even if you are cleaning shit, be the best in it. You will be in demand. Even if you are cleaning shit, be the best in it. You will be in demand. So much of demand in Bangalore. If we clean the garbage of Bangalore, I think we can invoke the attention of Narendra Modi also. So much of scope is there. Last year we had a startup idea where one team actually had come up with garbage collection, collect all the garbage of Bangalore. You have an app like Ola. So like Ola, if you click, you get an auto and you get a cab, right? If you click this app, you get the garbage collector truck. So it will come and collect all the garbage and go. So this was one of the ideas. So even if you are clean ship, be the best in it and you will be in demand. And right now, what is the scope for you? 10th standard. You just have to be the best in what you do. Colleges will come and select you. They will come and give you scholarship. These scholarship exams are just to attract good students. That's all. You be the best in whatever you're doing. 11 subjects, 10 subjects. You be the best in it. So the choices right now. So you will have to choose between this or that. Whichever choice you take, be the best in it. Now what I wanted to discuss with you is, a lot of people fear to take decisions. So if I choose this, then if it goes right, okay. If it goes wrong, then I will be held responsible. So you fear to take a decision. So you have others' opinion. So who are the other opinion makers? Luckily, if you are contacting somebody who is in that field, escaped. If you are discussing with somebody other than that field, then you are losing something. So this happened once near Wilson Garden. After my classes, I had gone to a restaurant. One of the, I think, driver, he was wearing a brown shirt, a driver. He is distributing sweets to everybody. He gave the sweets to the conductor and he told, my daughter has got engineering seat, I am so happy. And immediately the conductor is telling, in the restaurant, I was standing next, close by, and then I'm just observing the conversation. Oh, engineering seat, he's telling in Kannada, engineering seat, waste. A lot of people from America have lost jobs and they are coming back to India. Instantly, there was a sad face in the driver's eyes, driver's face. Instantly. Just few minutes back, he was so happy that time I was not a proactive communicator. Right now, I'm a very proactive communicator. I was thinking, I actually wanted to stop him and tell that you have done the best. You have taken the right decision. I just wanted to push. Before taking the decision, you discuss. But after taking the discussion, don't doubt. Trust. Doubt enough until you trust. Once trusted, stop doubting. Doubt enough until you trust. Once trusted, stop doubting. So once you have taken a decision, once you have chosen a field, run. So it's a relay. So you are in a track right now. Now you will have to look at your track and keep running. But if you feel that, no, if I was in the other track, I think I would have been faster. If I was in the other track, I would have been in the faster. The other guy might reach the destination a little faster. So this other guy would reach the destination little slower. And one of the biggest problem in this place is comparison. So there will always be somebody who is ahead of you in life. There will always be somebody who is behind you in life. If you compare yourself with somebody who is ahead of your life or your education, you will always feel inferior. And if you compare yourself with somebody who is behind you, you will always be feeling superior. Both of them are dangerous. Superiority complex and inferiority complex. Both are dangerous. So what should you do? Compare yourself with yourself. So what did I do last exam? How was I performing previously? Am I better than yesterday? 1% growth on a daily basis. That's all. In your own eyes, you will have to grow 1%. Just 1% more than what you are doing in the previous day. That's it. If you are comparing, you have given the remote of your happiness to the world. And there will always be somebody who is ahead of you, and there will always be somebody who is behind you. Both inferiority complex and superiority complex. So if you have inferiority complex, you will not progress in life. And if you have superiority complex, you will try to exploit everybody. So both of them are not good. So what you should do, this is my track, I will run. I will run and I will enjoy while running. And don't compare with somebody else who is doing well. While running, take a lot of help from your teachers, guru, whoever it is. Just take the help so that you will be able to run even more faster. But while running, happily run. You have to study 10th standard. Somehow you have to study, right? Happily. So what is our famous framework with which we study? Why do you study? Wonderful. Why do we write exams? Wonderful, wonderful. So we study for the joy of studying. We write the exam for joy of writing the exams. And I teach for the joy of teaching. I work for the joy of working. The entire world, except the East, everybody gives a holiday on Sunday. I have given a holiday on Monday. Everybody goes to office, I have a holiday on Monday. So I work on Sundays because these people are free only on Sundays. So for you people, it should excite you to go to school because you have already chosen. What is the choice that you have taken? I will go to the school. So just hold on to your choice and keep going ahead. Now, the question that I put forward was, we are scared to take some decisions, life decisions, because we are scared of the consequences. But the speed at which we grow depends on the speed at which we take tough decisions. You have to take tough decisions in your life, and that is when the speed at which you will grow will be maximum. So how can you take tough decisions? On what framework? Yes, of course, we have a lot of board of directors whom we contact before taking tough decisions. But the gut feeling has to be there before taking the tough decisions. And how do you develop this gut feeling? I'll tell you the most important secret, just for 5 more minutes, and then we'll go ahead. The most important secret is very simple framework it is. It is there in Java also. So I'll put it little interestingly. You want to go from here to here, point A to point B. If you have to move, you have to take a decision. Take one step at a time, take one step at a time, take one step at a time, and then eventually reach this place. So in order to move, that is a choice that you take. So what is the consequence? So you chose something, and what are all the possible consequences? So there are only 4 consequences in life. There are only 4 consequences in life. You can either get more than what you expected, or you will get exactly what you expected, or you will get less than what you expected, or you will get exactly opposite of what you expected. These are the only 4 consequences that you will be able to get. So you choose something, and what will be the consequence? Either you will get more than what you expected, or you will get exactly what you expected, or you will get less than what you expected, or exactly opposite to what you expected. That's all. There is no other consequences other than this. You join TechSparks, you expect 100 on 100. So join, choice. What is the consequence? We'll see in the month of May. But only 4 consequences. Either you can get more than what you expected. You might get 100 in computers plus mathematics because your logical thinking, analytical thinking will develop. Or you get exactly what you expected. You expected to get 100 on 100, you will get 100 on 100. Or you will get less than what you expected. Probably you should get around 80 plus. Or exactly opposite to what you expected. You might fail. These are the only 4 consequences. But we give so much of importance to that failing that we lose the happiness during the journey. What will happen if you fail? 1 more year, that's all. That's how your mindset has to be there. Having said that, will you sit now? No, you will have to work hard. Put all your effort. When your effort ends, his effort will begin. If you don't start, then he will never start. So you have to put your effort, do as much as possible, then his work will begin. Do as much as possible. We have prepared from past 6 months, writing the programs every week. I have pushed myself, you people have pushed yourself as much as possible, and the consequence can be anything. Now leave it to God. So keep preparing. Only 4 consequences. Either you will get more than what you expected, or exactly what you expected, or less than what you expected, or just exactly opposite to what you expected. So you got married. So you expected, I will get married to Aishwarya Roy. So your expectation is all that. But you got this one. So whatever it is. Or you can get better than Aishwarya Roy also. More than what you expected. Or exactly what you expected. Someone like Aishwarya Roy. Below, lesser than what you expected. Somebody, a girl. So, exactly opposite. Nobody is bothered about you. And you're not getting a alliance at all. Exactly opposite to what you expected. Life is completely about choice and consequences. You take a choice and there is only these 4 consequences. And now when you know that these are the only 4 consequences, you can take decisions even more faster. That's all I wanted to share with you people. So next time whenever you want to take any decisions, just see what is the worst case scenario, what is the best case scenario, and we have all this in technology itself. What is the best case scenario, what is the worst case scenario, what is the average case scenario. So what can go wrong? And with that, if you take a choice, the speed at which you will take choices will be faster, and the speed at which you will grow will be even more faster. Having said that, let me tell you, this is the second time in my entire lifetime I have stood on the stage and spoken. And a stage like this is the first time I am standing. Thank you very much for cooperating to me. So now is the time to appreciate our students. So we have couple of students who have won the, so we have the names ready. Just please give me. So from morning, I'll just take 15 more minutes or 15, maximum 20 more minutes. I want to give all of them the certificates in front of you, and then we will wind it up. Do you have any questions that I can answer? I hope I didn't make it boring. So any questions do you have? Any parents? Any concerns? So we just have been coding from morning. We had a lot of experiences. I had told you, beyond the imaginary finishing line, abundance awaits. So we had 3 levels of beyond the imaginary, 3 levels of imaginary finishing line. One was physical level, legs, and the second level was hands, and the third level was mentally. So I think we crossed all of them and completed the 12 hours of coding. A big round of applause to all of them. Okay. So now we have wow, this is amazing. So we have the prizes ready, fine. So one of the favorite interesting book that I always released, and the one which I always like related to Java is Java Head First. I think a lot of people will know. So my way of teaching is purely Java Head First. The entire Java is taught through stories. And I start Java with support a milkshake. So that is copyrighted for TechSparks. So one day, I think 4 or 5 years back, I was teaching one student. He was not at all understanding. I told, leave me. I went to lunch. I had this veg biryani is my favorite. I was having veg biryani, and that guy asked, do you want anything? I told, what do you have? Chikku milkshake. Okay, get Chikku milkshake. So I drank. It was very nice. Then I was thinking, why is this fellow is not understanding? Then after drinking, I went and then tried to explain. He was still not understanding. I told how to prepare Chikku milkshake. I started teaching him. So I just asked him, how do you prepare Chikku milkshake? He told, we put the Chikku in the jar. Directly he went. Where is Chikku right now? In fridge. Who brought it? So we have to go and bring it. So first buy the Chikku. Only Chikku is enough? No, sir. Sugar also is required. Buy the sugar also. If only sugar is enough? No, sir. Milk also is required. He only told the answer. So he told, sir, we need Chikku, we need milk, we need sugar, we need a knife to cut, we need, sir, jar also is required, sir. Sir, mixie also is required, sir. Okay, so your brain started working, is it? Okay. So after bringing Chikku, what will you do? Wash the Chikku. So he told, sir, put the Chikku in the jar. So you will get brown sapota milkshake. Mud and all will be there. First clean that. Sir, clean, sir. Okay. So I'll clean the sapota. Then what will you do? Cut. So some of you peel, some of you cut. I'm okay with it. So cut the Chikku and then add it into the jar. And after that, what will you do? So, so you will have to put milk also, no? Little bit milk and a little bit sugar also, quantity. And after that, what will you do? I will close the lid. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. After that, what will you do? Wait. It's parents. So after that, what will you do? They're like, what will do, sir? Mixie, sir. How will mix work? So you switch it on. So switch on the mixie. So they are so happy to tell that, so switch on the mixie, sir. Okay, after switching on the mixie, what will you do? Sir, after that, pour. Mixie is on. So it was, no, sir, switch off the mixie, sir. Okay, switched off the mixie. Then what? So if you don't switch off the mixie and then pour red color sapota milkshake, along with your fingers, it will. So what will you do right after this? Pour the Chikku milkshake in the glass. After that, what will you do? Over, sir. See, when customer asks you prepare sapota milkshake, you will prepare and keep it in the kitchen or what? So some guests have come and then you are preparing sapota milkshake as per my menu. As per my recipe, you will keep it in the kitchen? No. So what will you do? Serve it. So what were the 3 major stuff in this? Input, compute and output. What is the input? Sapotas, Chikku, milk, sugar, knife, jar, mixie, input. What is the output? Sapota milkshake. And what is the compute? All the steps. And that's how we break it into parts and then explain entire Java. Almost for 6 months, we teach the entire Java like this. Almost for all the programs, one story I'll keep telling, and that's how these people learn. We Indians enjoy stories, Upanishad, all that story, Mahabharata, Ramayana. We love to learn through stories, and I keep teaching Java through stories. And that's how, I know that 5% of them cannot understand what I teach. I'm sorry about it. Out of 100, at least 95 students understand what I teach. But I'm extremely sorry about who cannot understand. I tried my best, they were not able to do. They are also doing their best. Please forgive me if I'm not able to help them out. But reach out to me as much as possible. I can push. I have seen worst students, worst of worst, will be able to at least manage 75. Worst students. I had one worst student. I taught one program for 6 hours. One program for 6 hours. And after that, I asked him to write the program, he doesn't know. Same program. And I have taught, earlier I used to boost myself, get anybody in the world I will teach. Then I changed my ratio, 95% of the world I can teach Java, 5% I cannot teach. I will teach, but I cannot guarantee. So those parents, I already informed you people, don't blame the students, their mind is like that. They might have intelligent quotient in something else. We'll figure out that and then. Their relay is not this one, their relay is something else. We have to search for it and help them to run. So no blaming allowed. And we have the top 8 scorers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So shall we, I think first we will announce the team, so which came up with the startup idea. So just give me that sheet. After that, the names are amazing. I want to create that heat. Okay. No, I need the marks of the. We had 9 teams today. Each team had 8 students except for one team. So T1 to T9. So we do not have the prizes for all the teams, but we have only one top team. But I'll let you know which was the top third, the third startup idea. So, and here we have the top third startup idea, the third prize, no prize, okay? The third place goes to Team 7. Team 7, just stand up, Team 7. Okay, so here we have the, quickly come here, stand up, stand here, Team 7. Just come here, quickly. So they had come up with a startup idea. All the idea related stuff is there in the video recording. We will share it with you people. Lack of time, I would not like to share it right now. So these people stand third place. Wonderful. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys. And we have the second team who came up with another startup idea. Second place goes to T5, Team 5. Please come. A big round of applause. Come. Come. What was your idea? Okay, fine. You want to listen what they did? Okay, fine, nobody. So, they had an idea related to garden at home. So, automatic garden at home. So, these people, and this was voting based on the other team only, other students. It was poll, so based on the poll. Thank you very much, Team 5. And the winners are... Guess? And it is for Team 2 with 506 points. Yes, come. A big round of applause. Okay, let's see if you can just share it in a minute. Less than a minute. What was their idea?
So our startup idea was to develop an app which is basically a startup for startups. So we have 3 kinds of people on this app. We have the people who provide the ideas. You just have to have an idea to improve our world, our current situation. We have experts who help you improve the idea, and we have investors who actually help you make your dream a reality. So when these 3 people work together, I think we can definitely make a better situation right now. We can bring a change like that. So that was our
wonderful
idea.
Thank you very much. I would love to give some prizes for them. just keep this. Okay. So one by one, just can collect and then get in. Okay, so we'll have to face them. So you can come and collect, then walk out from there. Fine? Come over. Okay. This is the advantage of being in a best team. You're welcome. Please come. Please come. Good. Come. Come, friend. Come. You're welcome. Come. And you are the team leader? No, Nitin is the team leader. Wonderful. Thank you very much. All the best. All the best, guys. Wonderful. The main reason I had this startup event is for you to start thinking in this direction. That's all is important. Start thinking in this direction. Some idea will click. Some investor, we had investors also. Some investor, and this team actually told that we have investors like Saravanan sir. So, and this was completely students' poll. I didn't decide. It was completely students' poll. They got 506. The other team 504. Just with few points. So this team 506.5 and team 5, which was second place, 504, only by 2.5 points. And team 7, so the third place got 501 point. So only these three teams got above 500, all the others got below 500. Okay, a big round of applause to everybody, guys. And we have Java head first, we can give it for the top 3. Okay, the last 3. Top 2. Okay, wonderful. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Pradeep, you know, right? Yeah. So from last, I'll be calling out from the last. That one is? No, that is last. The last, yeah. So you give me the 8th place right now. 8th place, which is that book? Huh? Then, how many are there? 5, okay. And then? Only 5 plus 2? So we had limited stock. Whatever was there, I pulled out. So the Java complete reference goes to the 8th place, and the 8th place with 96 programs in 12 hours, with 1 hour lunch break, with 1 hour startup idea, 96 programs. The 8th place, you have to just spring up and come to the stage, okay? It goes to Akshaya. Okay, congratulations. This is my Bible, Java complete reference. Okay, so the 7th place with 1 more extra program, 97 programs in 12 hours with 2 hours of break, so 10 hours totally. The 7th place goes to Nishant Rao. Congratulations. Oh, this book is OCJP. So this is for the next level of Java programming. Anybody who wants to take and be certified by Oracle, you have to just master that book. He just loves, he's like, sir, when will OCJP start, sir? When will SCJP start? So I thought that this will be a great, instead of giving any other gifts, better to give some books related to Java, because I always love Java. So, and 2 more programs, and the 6th place goes to Amog with 99 programs. 99 programs. Mohan. Okay, so or just leave it. You guys, when you're coming up, just come from here, okay? So I think that is better. Amog. Okay, and the 5th place, my favorite number is 100. So 100 on 100 to 100 students is my goal of life. So that's all. Very simple. So a lot of students ask, sir, you keep talking about our goals. What is your goal, sir? My students are amazing. They come and ask me only, sir, what is your goal? My youngest student is in 4th standard. He comes and asks, sir, what is your goal, sir? So he learns Java. He's completed the course, 4th standard. Completed the course. So youngest, the next youngest student is here only. I'll call him. Special. Vahaj, yeah. Your parents are here, Vahaj? Vahaj's parents are there. Thank you very much for coming. So, the 5th place with 100 programs goes to Jigyasa. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And one more student with the same number of programs. 4th and 5th same number of programs. And the 4th place goes to Chesh Lodha. He is not there. He just took permission and he left. You can inform him. So somebody else can collect it on his behalf. Chesh Lodha. Who is the team leader of Chesh Lodha? Come over. Come up. So on behalf of Chesh Lodha, it is for Shashwat. Okay, you give it to him. And the third place goes to the one who have completed 106 programs, and the name is Avantika. Congratulations. You're welcome. Oh. Okay, and the second place with 110 programs. 110 programs. So there is a confusion now. There's a spelling mistake. This student doesn't exist. Just show me who has got this. 110 programs goes to Susan Matthew. Please come. Slowly. Come this side. Congratulations. All the best. And the winner is... Wonderful. So with 111 programs, it's Sian. Please come. A big round of applause. This is which book? Excellent. And the most favorite and dearest book of mine, Head First Java.
Thank you.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So we are done with both the events, right? So that's all. And what is the time right now? 9. Quickly come and then finish off with 5-10 minutes. No? No? Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. I think we have to make it memorable. So they will relish. I will share all these photographs. We have a very professional photography done today. An amazing personality. So very, very, very nicely he has covered. I saw the photos and I was shaken. I think it was one of the big, good decision, Mr. Pramod and Arun, right? So thank you very much. So before giving out the certificates, I just want to thank couple of people who helped me out from morning. So morning we had Akanksha, we had Harshita, so they already left, and Vinay, they all helped me out to conduct this program. And we have Mr. Mohan and Pradeep. Please come. Please come. So Mohan and Pradeep are the pillars of TechSparks here. So Mohan is a full-time at TechSparks, and we have Mr. Pradeep. He's actually my senior in Target, but he helps me out with all the management issues, and he teaches the students end-to-end application development. So if you want to learn something more, you can reach out to Pradeep. So you want to learn fundamentals, you can reach out to Mohan. And they were here to help me out. Thank you very much, Mohan. Thank you very much, Pradeep. And it will never be completed if we don't thank our producers of Saravanan and the associate of Saravanan. So I have my mom here. So all the parents from the day one, just a minute. Yeah. I have my mom here and my wife also is here. I would request both of them to just come onto the stage. So she doesn't understand English, but I will just try to explain. So just give me the mic, let me see if I can ask her to talk. So, with a big round of applause. Big round. Okay. So she's my mom and she's my wife. I recently got married. I always keep telling about that, right? So I told one recent story also. If I don't go to this Deepavali, my wife will. So I took off. For the first time in TechSparks, I took off. I never take off for the first time. And that's for my wife. Her name is... See, so many names, I can't remember mine. So I always call her as Lucky because her name is Lakshmi Priya. So Lakshmi is money and Priya is love. I'm a person who lives with love and money. So relationships and business life, spirituality and materialistic life. And I got a wife with both name, Lakshmi Priya. I call her Lucky because Lakshmi Priya, right? So she, my wife, and then my mom. So she's the one who created me. So a lot of people always keep asking me. A lot of people keep asking me. I want to. A couple of parents actually asked me. I want to see your parent who actually created you. So need to thank you for creating such a wonderful transformation in my children. So I wanted to give her this beautiful experience. She cannot understand whatever I'm talking, she's not understanding. But I would say that all I am is because of my mom. All I am is because of my mom. Thank you very much. Hey, Sri Amma. Good morning, good evening, Solid. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay. Fine. So, edana solriya? Tamil sol. Tamil sol paro. Tamil, few of them? Okay, great. Edana solnu. So, எப்படி இருக்குது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு?
நல்லா இருக்குதுப்பா. நீங்க எல்லாம் வந்து பசங்க படிக்கிறது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்குது. எங்க பையன் ரொம்ப நல்லவன். எங்களுக்கு செல்ல பிள்ளை.
For the first time. Sol, edana solnu. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
A big round of applause. You want to tell something? So we'll quickly finish off the certificates and then we can leave one by one. So starting from team 1, just get ready. So give all the certificates. Give all the certificates. Quickly you will have to take the photos. We have to finish it within 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll finish it. Okay, team 1, just come up, come up. So Rukhaya Fatima. So this is to just certify. This is just to certify that I can just show it to you people. Certificate of completion. This is to certify that Rukhaya Fatima has participated in Codathon and successfully completed 12 hours of non-stop coding, non-stop programming in Java on 1st November 2016 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. with TechSpark's logo and the managing director signature. So, congratulations. Okay, next. Tejas. Mohan, can you come? So, just what we will do, you just have to call out the names. Call out the names one by one.
This team too, I was ready.
Okay, just call out the names, just stand there, take the mic, just call out the name and give me the certificate. R. Tejas, next you can call out. R. Tejas. Congratulations.
Alan B. Vaidyan.
Come fast. Call the next name, call the next name.
Malcolm George. Puneet Kumar. Joel Diaz. Shreyas Santosh.
Congratulations. Shreyas Santosh.
Nitin Kumar.
Congratulations. Team 2.
Rahul MS.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Sean Mariam Abraham.
Sian.
Okay. It's actually Sean Conley.
Okay.
Susan Matthew.
Congratulations.
Harshada Jayakumar.
Congratulations.
Tejas Suranj.
Congratulations.
Siddharth CS.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Mohit Barolia.
Come. Congratulations.
Mayank Parida. Yash Barai.
Congratulations. Good student. Understanding.
Abhishek Suresh.
Congratulations.
Aryan Sharma.
Abhishek Suresh. Congratulations. Come. They both always together. Congratulations.
Soparnika Satyadash.
Soparnika.
Akanksha Shwen.
Congratulations.
Swati P. Reddy.
Congratulations.
Bhavna Ranjan.
Congratulations.
G. Gayatri.
Success comes to those who know how to celebrate others' success. Congratulations. Keep clapping. Congratulations.
Muhammad Lukman.
Should just be an exercise to your hands.
Priyanjali Singh. Nivedita Naidu.
Congratulations.
Rahul Rohan.
Congratulations.
Dhruv Sethi.
Dhruv. Congratulations.
Jennifer B. Abraham.
Congratulations. Oh, careful.
Sahana Nair.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Kushagra Gupta. Simran Sawat.
Congratulations. Enjoying?
Adnan Raza.
Congratulations.
Sujan Chaudhary.
Congratulations.
Likita Kolli.
Congratulations.
Rishma.
Congratulations.
Avantika.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Vaha Sasan.
Congratulations. And we have the youngest programmer. Yay! So he is in 7th standard. He is in 7th standard. And he comes all the way from Richmond town. So it is somewhere 20-25 kilometers away from Tech Sparks. One minute. And the parents are here. Okay, come.
Kaushik Chaudhary.
All the best, Wahaj.
Rishabh.
All the best, Kaushik.
Lochan.
Guys, you have to observe. There is camera here. You have to observe. You have to come from that side. You're disturbing, right? So you have to jump from that side. Okay, so just. The entire team can come and stand here. The entire team come and stand here. We can make it faster. Come. Entire team come and stand here. Rishabh, congratulations.
Rahul Ramesh.
Congratulations. I'll call out the names, huh? Just a minute. Rahul Ramesh, congratulations. Oh, you. Aishwarya, congratulations. Shravani, congratulations. I'll not give you certificates. Success comes to those who know how to celebrate others. Keep continuing. Daffodil. Yeah, very good. Congratulations. Lian, congratulations. Rishi Nair. Everybody have got the certificate? You. Okay. Rishi Nair, congratulations. Mridul Nair, congratulations. Jump. Lakshmi Narasimha Reddy. Yay. Congratulations. Akshaya. Congratulations. Jigyasa. Congratulations. Careful, careful. Srishti. Srishti Das. Congratulations. Ananya. Congratulations, Ananya. Nishant, next team, just jump. Nishant Rao, congratulations. Yeah. Shashwat. Shashwat. Congratulations. You can just go from here, okay? Don't go in between. Achala? Achala Varsha. Congratulations. You can go from here. Vanshika? Vanshika Gupta. Congratulations. Banvita? Congratulations. Come from. Who? You told nobody. Himanshi? Congratulations. Huh? Give the blank certificates, the two certificates. Give the other team. You both of them, I'll give you the blank ones. Yes. Or we'll do one thing. Give one. Just come from that side. So, we actually expected only 60 students. There were a lot of last minute registrations. So, I had not printed the certificates for them. So, not only these, approximately around 5 of them we missed out. So, Chase Lodha, we didn't write the certificate because we didn't have. 3 of them, Chase Lodha and these 2 people. I'll just give the other certificate just for the sake of photo. Okay, so and then I'll give you the certificate when you come to the class. So keep this one here. So I'll give somebody else's, so just for the sake of photo. Okay, so just make sure that the name is not there. Come over, come. We have Aditya, right? So Aditya, don't show the name. Okay, so come. Thank. This is for just for the sake of photo. And we have Amog Patil. Okay, I'll give you the certificates. Okay, all the best. Bye. Joseph, jump, come here. This is the last team, guys. So we are done. Last team. Okay, last round, it should be little humongous, okay? We'll be winding up, so it should go haywire. Okay, so Joseph Samuel, congratulations. Yeah. Okay, come from here. So you will take the certificate and leave from here. Jordan P, come. Congratulations. Rahul S, congratulations. Shubhangi, congratulations. Amruta Varshini, congratulations. Rishi, Sana Dinesh, congratulations. You can go now. Aditi Vani, congratulations. You can go. Abhishek D, congratulations. Thank you so much. A big round of applause to all the 71 participants. Thank you everybody. Thank you all. So we'll have the regular classes Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, this is just the mid-year, so we still have a lot of things to work. It doesn't mean that you have already got 100 on 100. So you will have to put a lot of effort. This is just the one step, just to cross that imaginary finishing line. You will have to keep putting your effort. Okay, so and a couple of you who want to share your experiences, the camera is here, so you can just share. I think few of them have really loved it today. So, and one group photo, everybody assemble here, just everybody, all the students. Come first. So one team stand here, Cheese. Blue Jay. Java. Keep clicking. We all pose very well, right? In the class, we kept on doing that. After doing all this, if you don't get good marks, no, your parents will kill me. Okay, so make sure that you all do well. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Bye, sir. Yeah.